Today I'm testing the Bibury Multitool Pliers Pro. Bibury was kind enough to send me this tool for free, so I could try it out and share my thoughts. Big thanks to them for the opportunity. This isn't a paid review, so everything I say is my honest opinion. So that being said, let's see how close we are to the Leatherman Wave Plus I've been using for a year by now. This is the main blade. So let's see how sharp this thing is. I'm gonna try and make some feather sticks. Now check this out. The blade comes sharp out of the box. Lock that in place and here we go. We have a handsaw. That's nice. We have the lock system as we used to have on the Wave Plus. It locks the blade in place. You hear the click? Let's check this serrated blade. Well, it's a serrated blade. I had the smaller scissors on my Leatherman Wave Plus and it was a really hard time using it. So I'm gonna enjoy these scissors on the Bibury tool. Hello! Hello! I'm gonna make some sparks with the file. The Bibury Pro feels great in the hand, solid and well balanced. All the functions lock in place nicely and the blades are sharp right off the box. From my experience, it's about 70% built for work, perfect for construction, electrical tasks or carpentry. But what really stands out are two things: the large generous scissors, rare to find in multi-tools, and the interchangeable blades. You can swap in a saw, a file or even a scalpel blade. That's a big plus in my book. Let's talk about quality. This multi-tool won't beat the Leatherman Wave Plus. That one's still top tier for me. The Bibury is decent for the price, but the one I received had an issue right from the start. The handles weren't perfectly aligned, and when I started batoning wood, the locking mechanism on the main blade got a bit loose. It didn't hold the blade securely anymore. Now, to be fully transparent, I did receive this tool for free from Bibury, but even so, I have to mention that it had a clear manufacturing flaw. That said, I'm going to try and repair it myself, because the material feels strong enough. And honestly, batoning isn't even something a multi-tool is really made for. That test was pushing it past its usual limits, just to see how tough it really is. So to wrap it up, the Bibury Pro has some strong points. The design is practical, the scissors are surprisingly good, and the idea of the interchangeable blades is definitely a plus. It feels solid in the hand and the materials seem tough enough for everyday use.